Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It's supposed to basically translate this simple freaking C code into assembly language, right? Into these languages, right? And it's supposed to do the Fibonacci sequence, right? You know what that is, right, Angie and Kevin?
No.
Right. The Fibonacci sequence is like basically to get the value after it, you have to add the two values before it.
Oh,
So
okay.
the nth term, say whatever nth term it is, say like I want the fifth nth term, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth term is actually the sum of the two terms before it.
Yeah.
Right? So the sixth term is actually 8 because the fifth term is 5 and the fourth term is 3. You add up to be 8, right? So on and so forth, right?
Uh-huh.
Now my program, what it's actually doing is it's it's being a it's being retard because if I load my stuff in and I run it, I think I loaded the wrong one in. This one's gonna go forever. I think this one's a freaking infinite loop. Yeah, this is. So I have to. That's not it, is it? I don't know if that's it. N1 plus. Oh shit. What did I do?
It was flashing. That's all I know.
Yeah, that's all. I mean, that was the processor running. But hold on, give me 1 second. This is the issue I'm having, right? And it's frustrating as hell because let me just delete some of this stuff. Let me do something on this side. All right, so once it finished processing, right? I view the register bank. The register bank is 22, right? It's 22. That is the hexadecimal number, right? So when I go over here, 22 converted is 34. That is the number fucking right before it. I mean the number right after it. This is the ninth term. But the number I enter is 8. But yet it gives me a ninth term. And it's not just 8, it's just my program right now is giving me a number that's fucking the value after. It doesn't matter whichever one it is. Like if I enter the fucking fifth term, it's gonna give me the value for the eighth term. I mean for the sixth term. If I give it the number, if I give the sixth term, it's gonna give me the value that's supposed to represent for the seventh term. So that's the frustrating part. I've been working on this for the longest fucking time, and I just can't. I don't understand it. I don't know how. And the professor is like, this is his response, right? It's like there's one place where your code that needs to get the value of n, but just got the offset instead, right? And I don't know what that fucking means. I don't know what that means. But the process is still the same.
Okay.
Right? He's got a condition for his F statement. He's got his L statement, and then he's got his exit code right here. So I kind of it matches. My. See, look, if I enlarge this, you guys can see that it matches my structure as well, right? This is the entry code, right? This is the
Yeah.
entry code and the statements. That's this thing,
Mm-hmm.
right? So if n is less than 2, add 0, 1, j exit. That's just theirs. But mine is just if n is less than 2, load in the n, jump to n if. And his j exit is just exit down here. My n if is just down here.
Mm-hmm.
This thing right here, right? And then anything between here is n is greater than or equal to 2. And that is
Mm-hmm.
exactly mine right there.
Wait, so
Right.
basically, oh shoot, yeah, you have to like edit
I
your
basically
statement.
translate mine to his or theirs to mine and just see how the stacks and so I should be able to do it.
Put some